This video is the introduction to Poor Boy Polaris. If you're thinking, hey, I've already seen a video of introduction to Poor Boy Polaris, you're absolutely right. Something happened to it. I wanted to remake it anyway, so my technologies are all different years and types and everything. So I have a new camera and old computer, and I have some stuff is on my old camera, and I have a newer computer now, and stuff just wasn't jiving. So I thought, well, I'll just completely remake the video. So in this video, you see what started out as my lawnmower. Basically, the motor blew up on it. It was going to cost way too much to replace the motor on it. So I thought I'd make a cool project out of it. So I used the chassis. I got a different motor. I put an 11.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton motor on it, and I changed it from front engine to rear engine. And I've done lots of modifications since then, but you'll see on other videos. But on this video, you'll see the first test drive. You see me get it all painted up in its original orange and black. Orange on the fenders and black on the rest of it. Then a little bit later, you'll see where I ended up stretching it out 6 inches because my knees were kind of in my chest originally. It was just a little bit too short, so I lengthened it out 6 inches. Then later on, you see it change to white and black. I got rid of the orange and did white and black, and I added a little bit bigger tires and did some different improvements to it. But the end of this video will actually get you up to point to where the other videos will take over to show you where it is today. But reason why I call it Poor Boy Polaris, it's kind of a joke toward, this is nowhere near a Polaris Razor or anything like that. But not everybody can afford those thousands and thousands of dollar things, and I have just as much fun. People that have those $15,000 razors would probably argue that, but that's okay as long as I don't know that I'm not having as much fun. That's all good. But I have a lot of fun on it. I built it for myself, not really for the kids. The kids do get to enjoy it some too, but it was kind of my off-road go-kart. It doesn't go very fast, but it will climb some things and do some different things like that. But hope you enjoy this video of the Poor Boy Polaris.
Alex, stay up here, baby. Move, Melody.
Okay, turn back around.
really hard.
So I'll probably turn around and grab it out.
Yeah, he's like, I don't really care.
Whoa! Wow. My crazy kid. Don't you flip that. Wow. Okay. Whoa! Watch, Alex, look! No, you gotta see the other video.
Mama, here's proof here there was snow. Can I wick it?
No, no icicle eating.
I just want to wick it.
Look, whoa!
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Thanks for watching this video on the Poor Boy Polaris, and please continue to watch the other videos on the Poor Boy Polaris on the playlist. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click like. Look us up on Facebook under Kevin's Creations, and on Instagram under creations_Kevins. So check out my other videos and hope you enjoy them. Thanks.